AI is not taking jobs. It is exposing lazy people. And if you're not careful, it might expose you too. We are living in a time where technology moves faster than human excuses. Artificial intelligence does not care how old you are, where you come from, or how long you've been doing your job. It only rewards one thing: action. Most people are afraid of AI. They say it will replace them. They complain. They wait. But winners do the opposite. They learn. They adapt. And they move before everyone else. The truth is simple. AI is not here to destroy opportunity. It is here to multiply it. In the past, success required money, connections, or luck. Today, success requires leverage. And AI is the greatest leverage humanity has ever created. One person with the right tools can now do the work of 10. One focused individual can outperform entire teams. But here is the uncomfortable truth. AI rewards discipline, not talent. AI rewards speed, not excuses. Lazy people will be replaced, not because AI is evil, but because laziness has no place in the future. Every generation faces a moment like this, a moment where those who adapt rise, and those who resist disappear quietly. This is that moment. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to be curious enough to learn and brave enough to act. Spend 1 hour a day learning AI tools. Automate boring tasks. Improve your skills. Increase your value. People who use AI daily will dominate their industries. People who ignore it will struggle to survive. This is not motivation. This is reality. The future belongs to those who move early, who learn faster than others, who understand that comfort is the enemy of progress. AI will not replace you if you choose to evolve. But if you stay the same, the world will move on without you. The choice is yours. Use AI or be used by it. Subscribe if you want to win in the AI era.